Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I am showing you how you can change country and language on YouTube. So firstly we should start with location or country. So firstly what you need to do is you have to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and then you can see the settings. Tap here the settings, and then tap on the general, which is in the top, and after that you can see here the third last option, which is location. Tap on the location. I am currently in India, so I have chosen the India. So after choosing the location, you can see here, you can scroll here and you can choose the location. So this is that how you can choose the country or how you can change your country. If you want to change your language, you can simply tap on again on this profile icon, and then you have to scroll down, and under the settings you can see the help and feedback. Tap on the help and feedback, and then it will take some time to reload, and then here you can see the search help. Tap on this, and here you can see you can simply type change language. So you can simply type the change language or location settings option, and then you can simply scroll down. So the it we the steps or the ways to changing the language, it will vary from the Android computer, iPhone or iPad. So here is the information. You can simply tap your profile picture settings general, and then you can tap your location, and then you can select your geography. So by the location, YouTube will determine that which language should be appropriate for you. So that's how, but it will be different for the computer, iPhone or iPad, but it will also use the location for determining your language. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment below, and you can also share it with your friends.